America, the land of opportunity, a place where dreams are said to come true, where the streets are paved with gold, and where anyone, regardless of their background, can rise to the pinnacle of success. We often associate it with stories of rags to riches, of self-made millionaires and the American dream. These tales of triumph and perseverance are woven into the very fabric of the nation, inspiring countless individuals to strive for greatness. But what happens after the dream is achieved? What lies beyond the initial euphoria of success? For many, the journey doesn't end with the attainment of wealth. In fact, it often marks the beginning of a new set of challenges. What happens to these families who amass extraordinary wealth? How do they navigate the complexities that come with their newfound status? The dynamics within these families can become strained as the pressures of maintaining and growing their fortune take a toll. While we might imagine a world of endless luxury and ease, the reality is often far more complex. The opulence can mask underlying issues, creating a facade that hides the true struggles faced by these families. Behind the gated mansions and the glossy magazine spreads, a different story is unfolding, a story of internal conflicts, emotional turmoil, and the constant pressure to live up to an image of perfection. America's wealthiest families are falling apart. The very wealth that was supposed to bring them happiness and security is in many cases driving them apart. The cracks in their relationships widen, leading to a breakdown that money alone cannot fix. This essay will delve into the reasons behind this phenomenon. We'll explore the intricate web of factors that contribute to the disintegration of these affluent families. We'll explore both the why and the how of these family breakdowns. From the psychological impact of wealth to the societal expectations placed upon them, we'll uncover the multifaceted nature of their struggles. From the immense pressure of maintaining wealth to the corrosive nature of inheritance battles, we'll uncover the challenges that money can't always solve. The stress of managing vast sums of money can lead to conflicts that tear families apart. Through real-life examples and insightful analysis, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the unique pressures faced by those living in the gilded cage of affluence. We'll hear from those who have experienced these challenges firsthand, providing a window into their world. It's easy to assume that money solves all problems. The allure of wealth can be blinding, leading us to believe that it is the ultimate solution to life's difficulties. But the reality is far more nuanced. Wealth can create as many problems as it solves, introducing a new set of complexities that can be just as challenging to navigate. While wealth offers comfort and security, it also presents a unique set of challenges. The expectations, the scrutiny, and the isolation that often accompany great wealth can be overwhelming. These challenges, if left unaddressed, can tear families apart, leaving behind a legacy of fractured relationships and unfulfilled potential. The story of America's wealthiest families is a cautionary tale, reminding us that the pursuit of wealth, while alluring, comes with its own set of perils. One of the most significant factors contributing to the breakdown of wealthy families is the issue of inheritance. The distribution of assets, which should ideally bring a sense of security and continuity, often becomes a battleground for unresolved conflicts and hidden resentments. The process of dividing an estate can unearth long-buried grievances and create new tensions among family members who might have otherwise maintained a cordial relationship. While inheriting a fortune might seem like a dream come true, it often becomes a source of immense stress and conflict. The sudden responsibility of managing a large sum of money can be overwhelming, especially for those who are unprepared. The pressure to live up to the legacy of the benefactor can also weigh heavily on the heirs, leading to anxiety and a sense of inadequacy. The sudden influx of wealth can strain relationships, ignite sibling rivalries, and create a sense of entitlement that erodes work ethic and personal values. Siblings who once shared a close bond may find themselves at odds over financial decisions, leading to bitter disputes and long-lasting rifts. The sense of entitlement that often accompanies inherited wealth can also diminish the motivation to work hard and achieve personal goals, resulting in a lack of fulfillment and purpose. Consider the case of the Vanderbilts, once one of the wealthiest families in America. Their story serves as a poignant example of how immense wealth, if not managed wisely, can lead to downfall. The Vanderbilts' fortune, amassed through their railroad empire, was one of the greatest in American history. However, the lack of financial discipline and foresight among the heirs led to its rapid depletion. Their railroad empire brought them unimaginable wealth, but it also sowed the seeds of discord. The opulence and extravagance that characterized their lifestyle became a double-edged sword, fostering a culture of excess and entitlement. The heirs, unprepared for the responsibilities that came with such wealth, engaged in reckless spending and legal battles that further eroded their fortune. Infighting lawsuits and extravagant spending eventually depleted their fortune, leaving behind a cautionary tale about the dangers of inherited wealth. The legal battles over the estate not only drained financial resources, but also fractured family relationships beyond repair. The once mighty Vanderbilt name became synonymous with squandered potential and lost legacy. The problem often lies in the lack of preparation and communication. Many families fail to have open and honest discussions about inheritance and the responsibilities it entails. Without clear guidelines and expectations, heirs are left to navigate the complexities of wealth management on their own, often with disastrous results. Many wealthy families fail to establish clear estate plans or to prepare their heirs for the responsibilities that come with great wealth. Estate planning is not just about dividing assets, it's about ensuring that the next generation is equipped to handle the financial and emotional challenges that come with their inheritance. Without proper guidance, heirs may find themselves ill-equipped to manage their newfound wealth, leading to poor financial decisions and strained relationships. This lack of foresight can lead to misunderstandings, resentment, and ultimately, the disintegration of family bonds. The emotional toll of inheritance disputes can be devastating, leaving lasting scars on family relationships. To prevent such outcomes, it is crucial for families to engage in proactive estate planning and open communication, ensuring that their legacy is preserved and their relationships remain intact. It might seem counterintuitive, but financial stress is a significant issue even for the ultra-wealthy. The pressure to maintain their lifestyle, grow their wealth, and make sound financial decisions can be overwhelming. This pressure can lead to anxiety, depression, and conflict within the family unit. For instance, the collapse of Lehman Brothers in 2008 had a ripple effect across the financial world, impacting even those who seemed untouchable. Many wealthy families saw their fortunes dwindle overnight, leading to panic, blame, and internal strife. Furthermore, differing financial philosophies among family members can create tension. One sibling might be a risk-taker, eager to invest in speculative ventures, while another might prioritize preservation and stability. These fundamental differences in approach can lead to disagreements, resentment, and ultimately, fractured relationships. Building a successful business takes grit, determination, and a bit of luck. Entrepreneurs often pour their heart and soul into their ventures, working late nights and making countless sacrifices to see their dreams come to fruition. The journey is fraught with challenges, from securing funding to navigating market competition, but the rewards can be immense. A thriving business not only brings financial success, but also a sense of accomplishment and legacy. But what happens when it's time to pass the reins to the next generation? Succession planning becomes a critical issue. The founder must decide who will take over, often choosing between children or other family members. This decision is rarely straightforward and can be fraught with emotional and practical challenges. The next generation may have different visions for the company, leading to potential conflicts. Family businesses, often the source of great wealth, can become battlegrounds for sibling rivalry and power struggles. The close-knit nature of family ties can make business disagreements more personal and intense. Siblings who once played together may find themselves at odds over business decisions, each believing they know what's best for the company's future. These disputes can escalate quickly, turning boardrooms into arenas of conflict. The Murdoch family, known for their global media empire, exemplifies this challenge. Rupert Murdoch built a vast media conglomerate, but as he aged, questions about succession became more pressing. His children, each with their own ambitions and ideas, found themselves in a complex web of competition and collaboration. The public watched as the family navigated these turbulent waters, with every move scrutinized by the media. Disputes over succession planning and control of the company have led to public feuds and strained relationships between siblings. These conflicts can spill out of the boardroom and into the public eye, damaging the family's reputation and the company's stability. The pressure to maintain a united front while dealing with internal discord can be overwhelming, leading to further stress and tension. These conflicts not only impact the family, but can also have repercussions for the business itself, potentially potentially leading to instability and decline. Employees may become demoralized, and investors may lose confidence, causing stock prices to fall. The once thriving business can find itself in a downward spiral, struggling to maintain its market position and financial health. The pressure to live up to the legacy of a successful parent can be immense. The next generation may feel the weight of expectations, knowing that their every move will be compared to the founder's achievements. This burden can lead to anxiety and self-doubt as they strive to prove themselves worthy of the family name. The fear of failure looms large, adding to the already high stakes of running a family business. Siblings might feel compelled to prove themselves, leading to competition, jealousy, and a breakdown in communication. The desire to outshine one another can overshadow the need for collaboration and teamwork. Misunderstandings and miscommunications can create rifts that are difficult to mend, further complicating the already delicate balance of family and business dynamics. This dynamic can be further complicated by differing business acumen, management styles, and visions for the future of the company. One sibling may prioritize innovation and growth, while another focuses on stability and tradition. These contrasting approaches can lead to strategic disagreements, making it challenging to chart a unified path forward. Navigating these complexities requires careful planning, open communication, and a willingness to compromise.